Meet John. He's worked as a landscaper and labourer, but right now he is unemployed. His friend told him he heard a news story that more baby boomers are retiring and more heavy equipment operators are going to be needed to fill these jobs and new ones. John thinks about this. He also thinks about the planned LNG and mining projects that he heard on the news recently. John knows he wants to work at these new jobs. The trouble for John is, no one will hire him for them without any training or seat time. Despite the barrier, John decides he wants more out of life than ditches and dirt. He calls IHE for help and advice on how to pay for the course. IHE tells John about the Canada Federal Job Grant, and after talking to IHE, John learns that the job grant can be used to train current or future employees. The grant will supply 2/3 of the cost of training, up to $10,000. The company must pay for only 1/3 of the normal costs. Paperwork applications are completely filled in by IHE for John. There is a 30-day processing period. What's John's next step? John phones 2 of his previous employers. One records his good attitude and dependable work ethic and agrees to sponsor him for the excavator course. IHE provides John with course registration, start dates, and task planning, all completely free. John gets trained. John's employer gets a known targeted hire. Where is John? Working at a mine project. John is ecstatic. He did it! Way to go, John! Put the Canada Federal Job Grant to work for you. Don't delay. Call IHE today. IHE, your source to train yourself or your workforce.